Hi, I'm Joe Fitzpatrick for Understand Photography. In this Lightroom Classic CC quick tip, we will look at the Enhanced Details tool introduced in Lightroom Classic CC version 8.2. According to the Adobe website, the tool produces crisp details, improved color rendering, more accurate renditions of edges, and fewer artifacts. Enhanced Details, Adobe claims, is especially useful for making large prints where fine details are more visible. This feature applies to raw mosaic files from cameras with Bayer sensors. That's pretty much everything that Canon, Nikon, Sony, and others make, and Fujifilm X-Trans sensors. Sounds pretty impressive. Enhanced Details is hardware intensive. The Windows version requires Windows 10 version 1809 or newer. The Mac version requires a metal-capable graphics processor and Mac OS High Sierra version 10.13 or later. In keeping with Lightroom's non-destructive workflow, Enhanced Details generates a DNG file rather than altering the RAW file. The DNG will be larger than the RAW file, so using it will consume a lot of disk space. Considering the hardware requirements, I was looking forward to seeing some pretty big gains in detail. But after going through a wide variety of images looking for examples to use in this video, I was underwhelmed by the results. I used it on Canon and Panasonic RAW files. Adobe claims improvements on Fuji X-Trans RAW files are more significant. AI, or machine learning tools, can give widely variable results, so perhaps I'm just not using it on the right type of image. It's part of Lightroom, so it doesn't cost you anything to give it a try on your images. Here's how you go about using it. First, select the image, then right-click within the image and choose Enhanced Details. The Enhanced Details window will open, and it will create a preview of the enhanced effect. There are no adjustments. It's a take it or leave it proposition. I'll usually wait till I get back and see the whole image processed before worrying about whether it works or not. You'll see here that you have the estimated time it's going to take to process the image. If you want to see the whole image, you can also click down here, and then it will show the whole image, and you can select a new spot to see the enhancement. I'm going to click on Enhance, and the image will start to process. Since this takes a long time, we'll skip to the finished image. Back in the grid view, we can see the original RAW file and the DNG with the Enhanced Details. I'll select them both, and I'll go to the Compare view. And now we're blown up at 4:1, so we can look at the differences. The RAW file is on the left. The DNG with the Enhanced is on the right. You can move around and look at different areas. I see a slight improvement of this image, which you probably can't see on YouTube. Let's go back to the grid view. Now also, another feature of the Enhanced Detail tool is that you can do multiple images. You can batch process. For that, you select the images, right-click on any one of them, choose Enhanced Details. You will get the warning that you're not going to see the dialog box, and click on OK. You will then see the progress bar go across as it processes the images. Again, this will take a considerable amount of time, so we will skip to the finished images. The images have now been processed. You can then select them 2 by 2 and look at them in the Compare view to check out whether you feel the enhancement was worthwhile. Again, the DNGs take up considerable disk space, so if you don't like the results, I suggest that you delete the DNG. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You can check out our Lightroom and other tutorials and quick tips and watch our weekly show on our website, understandphotography.com. Thanks for watching.